In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out of Binance on all devices. This is important to protect your account from unauthorized access, especially if you've logged in on shared, public, or previously compromised devices. To do this, simply head to Binance. You want to tap right here and then head to your profile. Here, select on Security. You will then navigate onto the option of Devices. You will see all actively logged in devices on your Binance account. Now to remove or log out the untrusted one or perhaps all devices, simply tap on the Logout button that's next to the device you want to remove. They will automatically get locked out of your Binance account. Now the immediate action is to simply go ahead and change your password once you have logged out all untrusted devices. Check in this video description. There's a link on how to change your password on Binance. Well, that's how easy it is to log out of Binance on all devices. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.